As you can see over there, we have a pause button now. Harder lesson, double XP, let's do it. I accept your challenge. Bring it on, man. I can pause it during the ads and stuff like that so you guys don't have to suffer along with me. I'll take the hit. Man, I should have paused it for this loading screen. Alright. Ça va bien, merci. Et toi? Doing well, thank you. And you?
Si.
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 It's the most useless part of this course, but...
Bonjour. Je suis un chat et je mange une pizza. Ça va très bien?
Bonjour, je suis un chat et je mange une pizza. Ça va très bien? The cat likes pizza. Je suis un chat et je mange une pizza. Ça va très bien. Very good. All right. The cat likes pizza, man.
Eh.
Eh. That sounds like that.
Eh.
Eh. I guess it is not that
Salut,
useless.
ça va?
Salut, ça va? Hi. How are you? How are you? No doing? All right. Moving on. This challenge is no match for you. Okay, buddy.
Salut.
Salut. Okay. Type the French you hear. Salute. If you don't pronounce the T. Salut.
Merci.
Merci. Translate the sentence. That means thank you. I thank you, man. I thank you. Good evening. Good evening. Oh no, it's bonsoir, right?
Bonsoir.
Bonsoir. You got like a cat sound.
Merci, Paul.
All right. What?
Merci, Paul.
Merci, Paul. I hate that slow thing, man. Merci, Paul. Capital Paul. Are they gonna? I was gonna put a little. What do you call it? I can't even English anymore. I'm doing very well, and you? Ça va très bien. Et toi? So TRES, TR. Which E should I pick? I think it's this one. No, that's not the right one. Très. That's this one. Stop picking that one, man. This one. No, down. Oh, man, that's so hard to do. Ça va très bien. Oh, it's going the wrong way, though. I knew it had a tick thing. I just didn't know which way it was supposed to go. Yeah, I get it. Why do they do that, man? Just move on, man. I want to learn. Hi, Marie. How are you doing? Salut, Marie. Say salut, Marie, or bonjour, Marie. Comment ça va? Nicely done. Good evening. Are you doing well? So, bonsoir.
Bonsoir.
Comment ça va? Right?
Va.
Bonsoir, comment ça va?
Très.
No, fast.
Très bien.
Très bien.
Et toi?
Et toi? Type the French you hear. TRE with the accent going. Très bien. Yeah, it's that one. No, that one. Yeah. Très bien. What did she say? Comment ça va or something?
Très bien. Et toi?
Et toi? Et toi? No. Très bien. Et toi? Is it ES or ET? Ugh.
Très bien. Et toi?
Very well, and you? Whoa. Sweating, man. My brain is sweating. Translate the sentence. Good evening, Marie. Bonsoir, Marie. Bonsoir. Marie. I don't know if there's a comma. Bonsoir, Marie. Bonsoir, Marie. Good evening, Paul. Bonsoir, Paul. Right? Bonsoir, Paul. Paul. how they say it. Bonsoir, Paul. Ta-da! Okay, I didn't even need to pause it. Guess that's it. Let's just hear that sound. Okay, I'm gonna pause it. See you guys.